In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam download queued issue step by step. First, open Steam and go to your library. Check if another game or update is already downloading, because Steam only downloads one item at a time by default. If you see another download in progress, you can pause or cancel it, then start the download you want. Next, restart Steam completely. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Exit. After that, open Steam again and check if the download starts normally. If the issue continues, go to Steam Settings, click on Downloads, then select Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action and log back into your account. This will refresh Steam's download system and often fixes queued download problems. Another solution is to check your download region. In the download settings, make sure the selected region is close to your location. Changing the region can help resolve server-related issues. You should also verify that your internet connection is stable and that no VPN or firewall eyes Steam. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect and try downloading the game again. After completing these steps, the queued download issue should be fixed and your game should start downloading normally.